Oasis.
Oasis.
The
world's biggest rock band.
The popularity likened to that of the Beatles.
The pop group Oasis is in doubt tonight.
Brother against brother.
We do get quite nasty.
Los hermanos
Liam
Gallagher.
started to see himself as a bit of a mad genius, but he's not quite grasped the genius bit
He
yet.
wants to be the man in charge. He wants to be the main man who's doing it.
Finally, after days of fevered speculation, they have confirmed they are reuniting for a series of concerts.
Most thought it would never happen, and some still aren't convinced.
The way it finished, unacceptable. It didn't sit right with me, man.
I just don't see myself on stage with Liam. I don't really want to be going back with the tension. Will it fall apart again?
Forgiveness is hard. It costs us something.
One of the biggest moments of our lives, right?
I feel like I'm exercising demons, getting it all out. The rage, just pure anger. I need to calm the down. We all said that we didn't mean. That's the way it is when you miss people.
The songs are one thing, but I'd forgotten what he means to people. I certainly wasn't prepared for the intense outpouring.
But don't look back in anger.
A sense of what it meant to people.
Got to try and ignite something, you know what I mean?
You've got a chance to change the narrative of the band.
I heard you say
There are no words, beautiful people.